You're not lazy. You're unclear. And that changes everything. But before we go further, think about this for a second. Do you actually know what you're trying to achieve right now? Or are you just moving? Most people believe they have a discipline problem. They think, I need more motivation. I need to push harder. I need to be more consistent. But let me ask you something. How many times have you told yourself that, and nothing really changed? Be honest, because that's not the real issue. The real issue is much simpler. You don't know exactly what you're doing, or why. Think about your last few days. You were busy. You did things. You responded. You moved. But did anything actually change? Or did you just stay in motion? If you're honest with yourself, you already know the answer. This is what confusion looks like. You wake up without a clear direction. You start something, but switch halfway. You feel pressure, but don't know where to focus. So you do what feels easy. You scroll. You delay. You avoid. Tell me, how often does this happen to you? And then you call it laziness. But it's not laziness. It's lack of clarity. Because when something is clear, you act. Not perfectly, but consistently. Have you noticed that in your own life? The brain doesn't resist effort. It resists uncertainty. Uncertainty feels like risk. And the brain is designed to avoid risk. So when your thinking is unclear, your brain slows you down, not to hurt you, but to protect you. Does that change how you see yourself? That's why you feel stuck. Not because you're lazy, but because your direction is weak. And weak direction creates hesitation. Hesitation creates delay. And delay becomes your habit. And here's the real question. Do you want to stay in that loop? Your life is not driven by motivation. It's driven by structure. If your structure is unclear, your actions will be inconsistent. No matter how hard you try, not effort. Structure. Most people never fix this. Will you? Clear thinking leads to focused action. Unclear thinking leads to scattered effort. Clear direction leads to progress. Confusion leads to frustration. Same person, different thinking, different results. Which side are you on right now? If you want to fix this, you don't need more discipline. You need clarity. Start here. Step 1. Define the outcome. What exactly are you trying to achieve? Not a vague idea, a clear result. Can you define it right now? Step 2. Define the next action. Not the full plan, just the next step. Clarity reduces resistance. What's your next step? Step 3. Remove alternatives. Distraction is not accidental. It's a lack of decision. When the path is clear, noise disappears. What are you still allowing that shouldn't be there? Try this. Take one area of your life where you feel stuck and ask yourself, what exactly am I trying to do? If you can't answer clearly, that's your problem. And if you can answer, that's your starting point. You don't need more time. You don't need more energy. You don't need more motivation. You need clarity. Because clarity changes how you think, and thinking changes how you act. You're not lazy. You're unclear. Fix your thinking, and your actions will follow. If this made you think differently, leave a comment below. I'd like to see how you see it. And if you're building yourself seriously, subscribe. This channel is just getting started.